Hey, what's up guys? This is a quick tutorial on how to download and install the Norton Antivirus software. So the first thing you want to do is open up your browser and you want to type in Norton Antivirus in your search bar. And generally you will be able to click the top link. Norton is a pretty big company, but if you scroll down a little bit, you can find their main site. And we can just go down to that real quick. So we're even going to see this quick link right here that says download antivirus free trial. Over here. And here's the Norton homepage. And we can just hit the free trial real quick. And this is to go over the plans. And you can get a free trial for either of these. But we're just going to be going with the standard package today. Let's go ahead and hit that. And it's going to ask you that you fill out your payment information. So once you've done all that, you'll see on the right side of your screen that the trial is activated. So you'll see in the total due today amount of money that you have to pay is $0. So you can go ahead and agree and place your order, and you will not be charged to your card. So if you want to try it out, you don't like it, you can always come back here and unsubscribe. So once that, you hit get started, and you are going to want to find whatever platform you're going to be using Norton on and agree and download. So it'll ask you where you want to download it. I'm just going to put it on my downloads, and then it will finish pretty quick. So you go over here, you go over to this link right here, and it's downloading. And installing. It'll take a second, not too long though. And it'll ask you if you want to allow Norton to make changes to your device, and yes, you do want to do that. Once everything's done, you want to make sure everything's good to go, and you install this. Then it'll take some time. We're going to speed through this part. Alright, and it looks like the installer is all done. So we are communicating with the Norton server. It is activating, and boom, our device is protected. So everything is installed, ready to go. From here you can click Setup Features and look to what the subscription you subscribe to has to offer. And so there's things like monitoring the dark web, there's cloud backup, there's auto VPN. You can also use this on your mobile device, and it also has a password manager. So if any of these sound intriguing to you, then you absolutely want to check this out. It's a free trial for 7 days, and if you don't like it, you can uninstall it. If this was helpful for you in your journey in staying safe on the web, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you.